Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to reset the Spectrum Internet. And this video is a guide for your modem and router soft and how can you factory reset. Step 1, you can disconnect the router power. Pull the electrical power adapter out from the back of the Spectrum router. Check that all front status lights turn off completely. Step 2. Unplug the cable modem. Disconnect the power cable from the back of your standalone Spectrum modem. Ensure the physical battery backup light, if equipped, turns off. Step 3. Wait for power drain. Leave both network units completely unplugged for 60 seconds. This drains residual voltage to clear corrupted local memory cache. Step 4. Power on the modem first. Plug the power cord back into your modem only. Avoid plugging in the router during this initiation window. Step 5. Wait for a solid status light. Watch the online indicator light on the front of the modem panel. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns a solid blue or green. Step 6. Power on the router. Reconnect the power adapter to your Spectrum router. Let the hardware spin up its internal operating system. Step 7. Verify the final handshake. Wait for the flashing lights on the router to settle. Confirm the status ring turns a solid, non-blinking blue color. Step 8. Trigger an app reset. This is the alternative step. You can launch the official My Spectrum app on your smartphone. Tap the Services tab and select your internet hardware. Click on Restart Equipment to push a digital signal refresh. Step 9. Locate the factory reset button. Find the tiny hole labeled as reset on your router's rear panel. Grab a straightened metal paper clip or a plastic toothpick pin. Step 10. Clear all settings permanently. Press and hold the internal button down firmly for 15 seconds. Release the pin once all the front-facing LED array lights flash. Also, there's a warning. This wipes out custom Wi-Fi network names and your passwords. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.